So after a quick break, it's a windy day. I'm headed back on Lois, my sexy bike. A couple things you guys should know. If you're ever doing a turnpike or an interstate ride, even with the Senna or Cena, bring earplugs, because the wind noise, even on a quiet helmet, makes this tone that can really make your ears ring at the end of the ride, especially if it's multiple hours. I've been riding in almost a full tuck this whole time, because on windy days with no kind of wind protection, no windscreen or fairing, and you get blown around. To get a clear shield for my helmet,